Craig Yardy is out there as well. Double file rolling start, 6 laps the journey in wet weather conditions. The final round of the GT Tyres Australian Super Truck Championship is underway as the green flag waves. Butwell and Amoroso side by side. Big splash of standing water and Amoroso. Another picture that gets claimed down there. Oh no, and one of the white trucks is going to collect Amoroso as well. This will be a red flag situation. Absolute carnage in the very first corner of the first Super Truck race of the weekend. And that, I fear, will be a fairly lengthy repair job once again to repair that tyre wall. My goodness gracious me, just the standing water and the aquaplaning there at turn number 1 has caught out so many victims already this weekend. And unfortunately, Frank Amoroso and also Craig Yardy have been caught out down there. So, while we get the officials down there to get those trucks recovered and get the tyre wall repaired, we might grab a break here in commentary and be back with more, hopefully, before too long.